is Hans the Ramen Rainer coming at you with yet another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the award-winning, time-honored, magical, millions and billions and millions and billions served show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, what do I have? This is called Samyang Foods Cham Ramen. Egg. See little dancing eggs? So there you go. Got a bowl that they come in. But you know me, I tore the label off, scanned it, and got it all ready to make the review presentable for you. And here's the noodle block that's going in. There was some loose, it's like egg and chives, they're calling it. That goes back in there. And then we've got a dry base. I'm curious what this is going to look like. I'm guessing this is just going to be like chickeny? I don't know. It's not red. Interesting. And then there's also a... Not what this is. There's also an oil that goes in at the end. So what we're gonna do now is motivate over this way. Need to put some water in here up to the fill line. Room temperature it calls for. Well, it doesn't actually say, but generally speaking, that's kind of what they want, is room temp water. So, there. Good. Need a little bit more. Now I'm kind of thinking, did I put the powder in when I shouldn't have? Do a little stir. Don't really want to. Okay, alright. Let's put you in the microwave. For 2 minutes. At 1,000 watts. Alright. So, what a day, huh? I don't know how your day's been going, but it's, what is this? This is, Thursday, October 3rd, 2019. It's approximately 1:20 in the PM. About 60 degrees outside, very windy, and the clouds keep coming and going, so you're going to see the light get brighter and darker over there. And my wife loves me. You know how I know? She bought me this. Pumpkin spice spam. She got me one of these. They sold out really quick, and I was planning on getting some off the spam website, but I forgot. I guess I had more important things to do than to like remember that there was spam for sale. Go figure. But yeah, I'll never open this. I'd have to have 2 of them. But I don't know how much she spent on eBay for it, but she got it on eBay, and it came from somebody in Oak Harbor, Washington. We're in Kenmore, so not very far from here. But to my wife, I thank you from the bottom of my heart and the top. Just add Spam pumpkin spice to waffles. Oh no. That sounds horrendous. I bet you start eating it and then you don't even taste the pumpkin spice. Yeah, who knows? Okay. 2 minutes of microwave satisfaction. Microwave is definitely satisfied. You know, that's what it's all about. The noodle block is 100% uncooked. Did I do something wrong? Is it supposed to be 2 hours in the microwave? This is confusing. It's really not all that. I'm gonna do another. This is irritating because I'll give it a minute at full power. Engage. Just watch, it's gonna start dripping out of the front because the thing boiled over. I hope not. That'd be bad. I'd be in such deep crap for that. She loves me pumpkin spice spam level. Not completely destroy the microwave level. Well, I shouldn't say that. But I don't want to set a precedent. Wow, this is like doing absolutely nothing to this noodle block. Seriously. The hell? I'm not crazy. It says 2 minutes right here. 2 minutes at 1,000 watts. Didn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Maybe the water wasn't warm enough. Maybe it wanted boiling water for 2 minutes. Seems odd, but it's possible. It's getting there, but it's still, wow. Keep it going. Those noodles are not even a close to being done. Yeah. Cook. Really? There we go. That should do it. How strange. Maybe they want boiling water from the outset. It's all in Korean, so I guess I should have done a little more looking, infoing. Okay. I hope these noodles are done. That's like, why are you watching that stupid ramen raider guy? Can't even microwave a damn bowl of noodles right. Jeez, must be blind or something. Okay. There's all this scrambled eggy looking stuff. It's good. I like it. Not what I'm used to from Samyang. I like their spicy stuff. I'm not saying this is bad, but it's not like, this is not a standard, regular, all the time you see it. Every company has one ramen or ramen variety from South Korea. It's not spicy, it's not red, it's not like incredibly seafood. It's an outlier. It's kind of different. I like that. So people always ask me, why do you pour a bowl like this into the pot and then back into here? And today I'm going to show you. I'll try to use my skills, but a lot of the time my skills just don't cut it. So can you see the bowl? Yeah. Here, look in there. So notice when I put this right here, it's like way on this edge. This is gonna lick against the side of the bowl. I'll do it right here, but I feel like I have way more control with the pot of where the noodles and broth are gonna go. That's the only reason I do it. Okay, that looks rather nice. But I want to move that egg. I can't do it. I gotta move that egg. Moving the egg may be harmful to the egg. Okay. We did all right. You and me, egg. We did okay. And I'll throw in some mung bean sprouts. And what we got? We got some sesame. And we're gonna do some chili flake because I have a hard time with Korean varieties that don't have any spicy to them. I'll admit it. It's not a bad thing. It's not a horrible thing. Where's my spicy though? That's a horrible thing. There it is. Alright. And I think we're on our way. And let's let good old Rotato take us to where we want to go. See that? I don't know if you saw that, but the sun just disappeared again. Here we go. Alright, well cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that crap. You gotta do it. If you don't, it makes me sad. Bye.